Hi friends, I am Sujoy and today I will tell you how to do Newton Forward Difference Interpolation on Casio fx-991ES. So let's start. Our question is compute f of x or function of x for x equals to 11 degree from the following table. Some questions that might arise in your mind that are: first question, what is Newton forward formula? It's a formula used to find f of x or function of x for given values of x. Second question, when to use Newton forward formula? It's used when there is even gapping between each term of x. So here is even gapping of 2, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 in x terms. When not to use Newton forward formula? When there is not even gapping. For example, after 10 it might be 10.5, after 12, 12.6, 14.8, 16.2, like this. In that case, we will use another formula, Newton divided difference formula. And Newton forward formula is used when the required value, our required value x equals to 11, lies between the middle element, above the middle element. If middle element is 14 and 11 is above 14. If suppose we want to find out x equals to 17, for that we will use Newton backward difference formula. That's another formula. So for now we will use Newton forward formula. Let's find out solution. We have to construct the forward difference table. For that, construct the chart like this and write x, y equals to f of x, both are same, del y0, del square y0, del cube y0 and del 4 y0. For this, write all the x values column wise. x0 is 11, 10, x1 12, 14, 16, 18, and write all the f of x values or y values column wise. So first element is 0.176327, 0.212556, like this. Now to construct this column, start from the bottom, and this minus this you will get this, this minus this you will get this, this minus this you will get this, this minus this you will get this. Same process, this minus this, 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 and this minus this. Next you have to find out p. P equals to x minus x0 by h. H is the gap between each term of x. In our question, the gap between each term is 2. So h equals to 2. X is given in the question. X is 11. So x is 11 and x0 is the value above 11 in the table. So above 11 is 10. So x0 equals to 10. So p becomes 11 minus 10 by 2, that is 0.5. One more thing, our required value 11 is in between 10 and 12. So the x10 becomes x0 and 0.176327 becomes y0. We will draw a line starting from y0, a straight line going downward to the final element for our question. And for our question, the del y0 will be along the line in the del y0 column, that is 0.036229, and del square y0 will be along the line in the del y0 column, del square y0 column 0.000543, and del cube y0 will be along the line 0.000102 in the del cube y0 column, and del 4 y0 will be along the del 4 y0 column along the line, that is 0.4011. Now concentrating on the formula, Newton forward interpolation formula is y equals to f of x equals to, both are same, equals to y0. Y0 is 0.176327 plus p into del y0. Del y0 is this plus, here is a fraction. To remember the formula, you may memorize first two elements, and for the third segment, remember these two values, this factorial value and this square value, this power value will be same, and the power value or the factorial value minus 1 will be the p minus this term. So for the third term it will be factorial 3 cube power and 3 minus 1, so p minus 2. So for this it will be p minus 3 factorial of 4, 3 plus 1, and del 4 y0. I will explain the concept in the next page. you can see y0 plus p into del y0 plus factorial 2 power is 2 and 2 minus 1 p minus 1. Similarly 3 and 3 minus 1, so it will be p minus 2, the final term. Going on, 4 power 4 and 4 minus 1, the last term is p minus 3, 4 minus 1. Okay. Similarly for next term it will be factorial of 5 power 5 and p minus 4, and keeping the structure same. Now putting the values in the forward interpolation formula, this is y0 and p into del y0, this is del y0 and p into p minus 1 divided by factorial 2 into del square y0, 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1, 0.5 minus 2, factorial of 3, that is del cube y0, this is del 4 y0, factorial of 4, and this is p minus 3. Now this value is same, 0.5 into this, you will get this. To find out this value, you use your calculator in a very simple way. Press the fraction button, 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 factorial of 2. For factorial, press shift and this x inverse button into 0.000543 into 0.000543. Press equals to button, so you will get minus 0.406785, minus 0.406785. For this term, keep the structure same and add one element and add one term. Press joystick left and write this. Press del to delete. It is 000102. Joystick left. Add one term. Below is factorial 3. Press del 3. 0.5 minus 2 bracket. Press equals to. It's in fraction form. To convert in decimal form, press S to D button. It will become 12345 506375 506375. And for this term, keep the structure same. Add one term. So for that, press joystick left. Press del to delete. There is 4 zeros, 1 1. Press joystick left. Below is factorial 4. Press del to delete and 4. Joystick left. Now 0.5 minus 3. Minus 3. Press the bracket and press equals to. So you will get minus 0.1234560 minus 0.6042968. Add up all these values, you will get this, and this is our required answer. How to confirm whether this answer is right or not? Here is a secret trick I am telling you. Since our x value is 11, lies between 10 and 12, so our f of x values will also lie between these two values. So we have to find out mean of these two values. For that, press AC to clear. Press fraction button, 0.176327 plus 0.212556 divided by 2 and press equals to. So you will get 0.14194415 0.194441, and here our comes 36. It is almost equal, so our answer is correct approximately, you can say. Isn't it easy using your calculator? So you can try yourself another math. For x equals to 13 degree, f of x will be 0.230868, and for x equals to 13, our y1 or y0 will be 0.212556, del y0 will be 0.36772, del square y0 along the line will be 0.000645, and del cube y0 will be 0.000113, and del 4 y0 will be this for x equals to 13. Put all the values for x equals to 13 in the structure, and ultimately you will get your answer 0.230868. Try it yourself, then you will understand the concept. So friend, this was my tutorial. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That will encourage me to upload more quality videos in future. Additionally, if you subscribe, you will be notified by an email whenever I upload a new video in my channel. Also, if you like the video, you can find out the video later in the likes option in your own YouTube channel. Additionally, you can follow my blog at www.sujoy-tech.blogspot.com. So, keep watching, and for my next video, till then, stay connected. Thanks for watching.